Hey, can you do me a favor? All right, can you like sit right there real quick? All right, cool. What's good, y'all? That's all I had to do. I appreciate it, gang. I'm just joking. One more time. Let's start this over. Let's start it over. Start. Hey, YouTube is your boy Rush King. I don't do introductions. Today we're gonna be surprising people with Miles Morales. Well, let's get into the video. You know what I mean?
Hey.
Let's get into the video. Surprising people with Miles Morales. Let's go.
Don't be a judger, bro. Don't be a judger.
Wait,
What do you mean what?
what are you looking like that for?
Cause it's a good look.
Let God, leave it up to God to judge a motherfucker.
You look goofy as fuck.
Now you know like what's his name? That nigga King Carson?
No,
You don't know King Carson?
no. What the fuck? That's not cute.
Ooh, hey.
She want me.
What's good?
What's
Hey.
Well, damn, how many are you? Are there?
It's
Two.
just two. It's just two.
Oh,
It's
okay.
me and my sister.
How old are you?
I'm 23.
Oh,
No, I'm
That
joking.
isn't the case.
I'm joking. I'm not 20. I'm just saying that. Y'all ain't 23 either. That's what y'all should say.
because I'm not on my phone. My sister on her phone. I'm 15. She 14.
Oh, wait, so neither y'all 23, but y'all should say 23.
No.
No, not too much, motherfucker. Not too much. Because like I said, that's her phone, not mine.
I just
so.
put a fake birthday because I didn't feel like going through all that.
You want to do all the what? All you gotta do is put 3 a month, a day, and a year.
Bruh, not too much on my fucking sister now. I'll beat your
Beat my ass.
I love you though. Love you stank. Love you stank. Love you though. But
Beat my ass. Beat my ass. Beat my ass. What's up? What's up?
can I add you?
What's up? What's up?
Oh. How tall are you?
Yeah. Yeah.
How tall is you?
I'm 6 foot. What's up?
Oh, baby, I was just playing. Oh.
He'll kick me and I'll fall over.
Sorry.
20, yep.
You just see the lowest. I'm sorry. I'm 15.
The math ain't math.
Why couldn't you just put that?
Because someone's a little gay over here.
Not, hey, look, you did the crime, now you gotta pay the time. You can't be lying about your age up here. So now I'm gonna have to fling in there and do something about it. Here I come.
On my soul, you weak. Oh. Okay, can you reverse? Hit the reverse.
Put that dick out.
What did he say?
Hey. Okay.
Alright.
Hey.
Y'all don't mind how my hair's like this? Y'all don't mind how my hair's like this?
I don't care.
It's your life. We just living in it.
I appreciate that.
Period.
You Miles Morales.
I might be.
You should.
You kind of eating.
I appreciate that.
Period.
I do got a dimension to save though, so I will catch you guys later.
Bye.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
What you doing?
I'm not really doing nothing. What about you?
Why this on your head?
Why's that on my shirt?
Yeah.
I don't know. My bad.
You wait a minute. You Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Hey there, boys and girls, I got many of drugs for you. Also drugs for you.
What's good, twin?
What's poppin'?
Shit, what you want, twin?
I'm not on shit. What you want?
Shit, I ain't no noise smoking.
Hey, bro, be honest, bro. Do I look ugly, bro? All the girls keep roasting me, bro.
Nah, fool, you good, my nigga. I'm good. Don't listen to these damn females on my mama.
Hey, bro, yeah, you right, bro. I appreciate that, bro. Hey, bro, just for that, bro. Hey, bro, whenever you in danger, bro, hit me up. I got you. You know what I'm saying? I got you. You know what I'm saying?
All right, baby.
Huh?
Right.
All right. What's funny?
Word?
Yo,
I like your shirt.
thank you.
Psych, nigga. You.
Get with the game, Brody.
Now what?
So get with the game, Brody.
All right, come on.
Do it, bro.
What?
Do this.
Fuck no.
What you mean, fuck no?
That nigga's a Spider-Man. Yeah, I fuck with it.
Appreciate that.
Oh fuck!
Bro, get with the game, bro.
I don't know what he's saying.
Come on, join the shirt game, bro.
The what?
The shirt game. You gotta put your shirt like this.
No, I'm in the bed, bro. I'm tired.
In the bed. What you mean, nigga? Get up.
No, nigga, I'm tired as fuck, bro.
Nigga,
I've
get
been
up and
working
get
all
on your
day.
grind, nigga. You gotta like to live, nigga.
I've been working all day. I'm tired. I'm
Nigga,
making
I've
this
been
money.
working all day too, nigga. Get up, nigga.
No.
Get up.
No.
Come on, get up, nigga.
For what, bro?
Nigga, get up. Nigga, I've been working all day too, nigga. Get up.
Who the fuck is,
Get up.
who the fuck is you, Miles Morales?
Yeah, nigga, get up, nigga. Get up.
Oh, hell no. Okay, oh, I'm about to say.
Get up.
No.
Alright, bro. You know what? I'm about to swing your house right now. It's raps. It's raps for you, bro. It's raps. It's raps. Nigga, what's good?
Hey.
What do you think? Look good, don't it?
Mhm.
Yeah. Look fire. You should do it too.
Very.
Go ahead, do it.
Mhm.
Oh, we not doing it? We not doing it together?
Doing what?
Little shirt, you gotta put the shirt over your head.
Oh no. I'm good.
Bro. Come on. What?
Did you Spider-Man at the same time?
Yeah.
Two identities.
Yo, ugly as fuck.
What did I do?
God.
Oh my God.
What'd I do?
Egg type head ass nigga.
Nigga, hold up.
Fuck.
What'd I do?
You
Oh my God. Fuck.
What's up?
What's up? No need.
You call me what?
Nah. What's up?
You call me Humpty?
Mm.
What'd you call me?
Listen.
Say it.
Nah.
Be bold.
I'll be bold.
Be bold.
Be bold. You ain't
Nah,
got no
you
need.
know.
What the fuck that Nikki? Here, Nikki. Why fucking shirt over your fucking head? You like a damn egg.
I'm a diabetic.
You like an egg.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Humpty Dumpty looking like us. You might got
Humpty Dumpty, right? Humpty Dumpty, right?
You a wannabe Spider-Man. Or was you
Dumpty.
screaming?
I'm not wannabe.
You screaming?
Hmm?
You screaming?
I could be.
Nah.
Got your ass put in 4K. Yeah, what's up?
You screaming.
Yeah, who the Humpty Dumpty nigga now, nigga? Yeah. Yeah, that ego done deflated, didn't it? Yeah.
You
Yeah, curl it
screaming.
apart, Humpty Dumpty. Yeah, what's up now? What's up? What's up? Yeah, huh? Yeah, yeah. Where your shit at now? Where you at now? Yeah. Oh, can't talk now, can you? Cat got your tongue? Or is that spider got your tongue?
You screaming. You know what you doing? You screaming.
Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna stream over there and whoop your ass. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Nigga. I've seen you like 3 times, buddy.
Oh God, you got a little ass neck, bro.
Yeah, oh God. But guess what? Shit longer than you think, nigga.
Your Uncle Rucky's looking ass, but no.
My face. Where's Cleveland? I'm really stretching this shirt out, no cap.
Spider-Man.
Yeah, that's me. It was good. Oh, damn.
Okay, you know what, bro?
What's up?
Big boy.
Hi.
How are you?
Bro, you look like somebody.
Her daddy. But
You look like a rapper.
her daddy.
A rapper?
Who, when they do it, it's kind of when I do it.
Yeah, you look like a rapper.
Fuck you.
Rapper.
Like young boy. You look like young boy.
God damn. God damn.
Yo.
What's up?
Fuck you got that Spider-Man shit on you before.
What you mean? This is my skin.
Nigga, you look dumb as a bitch. I'm sorry.
It's my shirt, bro. What do you mean? It's part of my shirt.
It's ugly. We not feeling it. We not copying
My
it.
shirt?
No. You don't got that shit on. No.
Got what on?
Skip.
Fuck you too. She was out bad, no.
Excuse me, Mouse. My dad just died, and $5 on Cash App would make me feel better.
That's crazy.
It is. My family is starving. My dog is dying.
Damn. Good luck with that, Chief.
I want a picture. I want an autograph.
An autograph?
Wait, can you take off your mask after? Wait, I want a picture. Wait. I'm trying to give me a picture. Hold on. Wait.
I'm sorry.
You're very cute. Oh my God.
Thank you.
You broke my scale. You made me wanna. He looks like the person in Bible school that used to date. He's so cute. Oh my God. You're very cute. I love your smile.
Grr.
I know the real Miles Morales, gang.
Hey, you looking at him?
Nah, can you backflip?
I can baffle about it. Is fucking cold, nigga.
You know speak
Shit,
English?
He want to get fucked with that Spider-Man shit on.
What do you mean by that?
You speak no
Jimmy getting
English.
dildos put in his ass.
Me no hablo English.
You know speak English?
No hablo English.
No English?
No English.
What you speak?
Español.
Speak it.
¿Y tú?
No, bitch. That's only no. I ain't that stupid.
¿Qué?
What?
¿Qué?
Who? The fuck asked?
So like, come on now.
Huh?
Like, come on now. That don't make no sense.
¿Qué?
No, I'm not talking about you.
Oh, ¿por qué?
I'm talking about like, it was this rich kid, right? And they was talking to his parents, and they was saying like, what would your kid do in the future? Nothing, because they already got everything they want.
See,
that's why I'm glad I grew up like in poverty, because I can appreciate what I get. You feel me?
Yeah, that's facts.
Oh my God, you ugly as hell. I'm just playing. What? Now you surprised me a little bit. You should have kept that hell on. Put it back on, please. No. Did you get that for Christmas or Halloween? Which one?
Both.
They rewrapped that motherfucker.
What's up? What's your name?
It's Tamayos.
All right.
That's not
My name's Mayo.
My name's Soy Sauce.
Bien. ¿Cómo estás?
Your name? I can tell by the accent. It has to be Yum Yum Sauce.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Or one.
What, nigga?
Bro, snap. You're good at the accent.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bien. ¿Y tú?
Más o menos.
Esta Mayos. You?
That's all I know. After most of me knows, that's all I know.
Okay. Say no, I'm just black. Yeah. Like the hair though.
I like the suit. Thank you.
Yeah, that's facts.
Spider-Man.
So Fago, pink hearts. ¿Cómo estás, mi amor?
What up?
¿Y tú?
Hey, watch this. I know y'all setting a little trick.
Look at this dude.
Do it. When did Miles Morales get braces?
What was that braces?
Oh, for real? You take it off fully?
Why should I?
Cause I want to see if you can shoot webs too. Awesome. Can you shoot webs?
Nah.
So you're the lame Spider-Man?
It was not no Miles Morales. You can't even do a backflip. Okay, I fuck with the pain, but you still not Miles Morales. You can't do no backflip, bro.
Damn right I can't.
Yo, suck my dick too. What the fuck your ass doing? Yo, you a grown ass man, bro. Hold on. No,
Yo, that's
I'm
Spider-Man.
on a nigga ass, bro. Hold on. Yo, but you was a grown ass man in a Spider-Man suit on monkey, bro. How the fuck you like look at the way you like look right now, bro? Hey,
Black Spider-Man.
go get a job, bro.
Is that a black nigga?
Alright, don't back up, bro, before I smack dog shit at you. Take this. Oh yeah. Oop, jump scare.
Parents. I put a hole in your parents.
Not put a hole in your parents.
I put a hole in your parents.
Oh, he's talking about he gonna shoot your mama.
You talking about XX edition?
My man's. My man.
Hey,
bro, I put a hole in your parents, no cap.
You put a hole in my pants?
Your parents.
A hole in your pants, boy.
Huh?
I put a hole in your pants.
You're crazy. What'd I do?
Stop replying. What's up?
What's good?
You're gonna be on YouTube.
You're also gonna be on YouTube. Yeah, you're also gonna be on YouTube. You wanna know why? You wanna know why? Huh? You wanna know why? Yeah, you're also gonna be on YouTube. Yeah.
This nigga is crazy.
Huh?
Devin said you want to know something.
What do I want to know?
Nobody was talking to you.
You're ugly.
I appreciate that. Thank you for all the support.
Yeah, you're welcome. You need to do something with your head.
You need to do something with you beat on my channel now.
Laugh it out.
I like your style, kid. Is that what you said? No. I like your spunk. I like your spunk. There we go. Fuck.
Yo, you Spider-Man?
Nah, it's just a shirt.
Nah. Oh.
What's up?
Nigga, fuck you.
Oh, let me get a piece of that. Let me get a squeeze. What's good?
You got a good ass camera, not gonna lie.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
You want a Spider-Man outfit, nigga?
Yeah, can you do me a favor?
Nah, bro.
All right, appreciate that.
Miles Morales?
No, it's just a shirt.
That's Miles Morales.
Nah.
Bro, you have the mask.
It's y'all.
Yeah.
Damn, this is perfect. Hey, you guys want to do me a favor? You guys want to do a YouTube outro for me real quick?
Oh, outro?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, come on.
No, like, you got to do it for me.
Subscribe to Reverse Key and turn on post notifications.
No, you gotta tell them more than that. Be like, yo, make sure you guys enjoy the video. You know, make sure you like, comment, do all that, and subscribe, and yeah.
All right. Is it ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yo, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and comment what video we should do next. Wait, y'all just said?
Yeah, you got it. Good job. Proud of you.
I know you're finna ask other people for an outro, but hey.
No, you gonna be an outro.
What?
Yeah.
I'm gonna search you up right now.
All right, bet.
Ray straight.